Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss about the graphical method to solve the linear programming problem. Graphical method is applied when linear programming having only two decision variables, and it is possible that set of feasible solution can be displayed graphically by plotting the linear constraints on the graph paper and finally locate the optimum solution. So in this technique, we are identifying the optimal solution by graphically. Let's see some important definition. First one is solution. It is the set of values which satisfy the constraints of the linear programming problem. Second one is the feasible solution. The set of values which satisfy all the constraints, which means a single value which satisfy all the constraint, and a set of these type of values we are calling as a feasible solution. And next one is the infeasible solution. The set of values which is not satisfy all the constraints. This is we are calling as infeasible solution. Next one is degenerate. If value of at least one basic variable is 0, we are calling as solution is degenerate. Similarly, next we have to see the next definition is non-degenerate. If value of all basic variables are non-zero and positive, we are calling as the solution is non-degenerate. And next one is the optimum basic feasible solution. A basic feasible solution which gives the maximum objective function value. This is we are calling as optimum basic feasible solution. And last one is the unbounded solution. A solution which can increase or decrease the value of the objective function indefinitely. That is we are calling as unbounded solution. We can solve the linear programming problem by graphical method, by extreme corner solution method, or isomorphic method. First we will discuss the extreme corner method. In this method, the coordinates of all the corner points of feasible region are determined. Next, these values are examined for objective function and compare the objective function values at each corner point and find the optimal solution. Let's see the procedure for extreme corner method. First step is develop the linear programming model. Based on given data, we have to develop the constraints and objective function. Second step is plot the constraints on the graph sheet and decide the feasible region. For this, first we have to replace the inequality sign by equality sign in all the constraints. Next, to determine the coordinates of each equation and draw the straight lines on graph paper, and finally find the area of feasible solution according to the inequality sign of each constraint. Then we have to shade the common area which satisfy all the constraints. So next is final shaded area is the feasible solution of the given linear programming problem. So next, the third step is examine the extreme or corner points of the feasible solution space to find an optimal solution. For this, first we have to identify the corner points of the coordinates in the feasible solution. Next, we have to substitute these coordinates in the objective function and compare the values of objective function at each corner point, and finally identify the extreme point which gives the optimal solution of the objective function. So this is the procedure of the extreme corner method. So thank you.